In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Wix website quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to enhance your visitor's experience or just want to add a personal touch, incorporating music can make your site more dynamic and engaging. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to make this happen. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the editor interface, where all the magic happens. It might seem like a lot at first, but don't worry. It's all pretty straightforward. Once you're in the editor, look over at the left-hand side of your screen. You're going to click on the option labeled Add or Add Elements, depending on your version. This is where you can add all sorts of elements to your site, and today we're focusing on audio. Next, after clicking Add, a list of categories will appear. You'll want to choose Video and Music. This section not only allows you to upload videos and music, but also to manage and edit these elements, giving you control over their appearance and behavior on your site. Once you've clicked on Video and Music, look for the Audio Players option. This is where you can select the player style that fits best with your website's theme. There are various designs and features in audio players that Wix offers, so have a brief look and pick what suits your needs. After selecting your player, click on Track Name. This is going to be the placeholder for the music you choose. By default, it might have some standard text, but you'll be customizing this soon. The following step is to click on Change Track. This is a crucial part since you get to decide what music your audience will hear. Once you've clicked on this option, you'll notice a variety of ways you can add your music. You'll now make a choice on where to choose your audio from. Options could include uploading your file directly from your device, using tracks from Wix's own library, or even connecting to other platforms. Choose the best method according to what you have in mind for your website. At this point, you might want to type in the artist's name. It's a good practice for organizational purposes, not just for you, but also in terms of website user experience. Follow this by typing in the track's name for quick identification. Finally, you'll want to explore playback options. This is where you decide how the music will be played, whether it starts automatically, it's on the tip, loops, or requires a click to play. Make your selections according to the atmosphere you're trying to create on your site and the preferences of your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added music to your Wix site, adding a bit more personality and appeal to your online presence. Keep experimenting with different tracks and settings to find what works best for your brand. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.